1. Green anaconda, Unex marinus. Largest snake in the world by weight and girth. Can reach up to 30 feet long. Semi-aquatic, lives in swamps and slow-moving rivers. Kills prey by constriction, not venom. 2. Emerald tree boa, Corallus caninus. Bright emerald green color with white zigzag patterns. Non-venomous and lives in trees. Ambush predator that eats birds and small mammals. 3. Bushmaster, Lachesis muta. Largest venomous snake in the Americas. Has a deadly hemotoxic venom. Shy and nocturnal, found deep in rainforest floors. 4. Fer-de-lance, Bothrops atrox. One of the most dangerous snakes in South America, responsible for many snakebite deaths. Aggressive and highly venomous. 5. Amazon tree boa, Corallus hortulinus. Comes in many color variations: orange, yellow, gray, and green. Non-venomous constrictor, nocturnal and arboreal. 6. Coral snake, Macurus sp. Brightly colored red, yellow, and black bands. Extremely venomous, neurotoxic venom. Secretive and usually not aggressive. 7. Boa constrictor, Boa constrictor. Famous for its strong muscles and ability to crush prey. Commonly found near rivers and trees. Non-venomous, kills by constriction. 8. Rainbow boa epicrates centria. Named for its iridescent scales that reflect rainbow colors. Gentle and often kept as a pet. Prefers humid rainforest environments. 9. Vine snake, Oxybellus fulginus. Very thin and long, looks like a vine, perfect camouflage. Mildly venomous. Uses its speed and stealth to catch frogs and lizards. 10. Red-tailed boa, Boa constrictor constrictor. Subspecies of boa constrictor. Recognizable by its deep red tail markings. Powerful predator, common in lowland rainforests.